welcome to Apna College Net YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Students, many of you are opting for BBA course after completing your 10+2 examination. BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, it is a regular full-time course which might be of 3 years or 4 years duration depending on the candidate and also on the university. But in today's video, I will not talk about the BBA curriculum. I am not going to talk about what are your career options after BBA. I will talk about top 5 specializations in BBA course which you can opt for in 2025 so that after completing BBA, you can get a good opportunity in a good job role in multinational corporation. So watch this video till the end if you are a BBA aspirant and really serious about your career. If you are new to this channel, then you must like and subscribe to this Apna College Net YouTube channel, because in this channel we bring you the review of top BBA colleges in India and also update you with the entrance examination updates and also tell you about the new horizons and opportunities, and it is all about your career. India's global trade scenario in 2025 is expected to be robust with growth in both exports and imports. This growth is expected to be driven by strong private consumption and investment. India is setting up trade strategy to achieve $2 trillion export business by 2030. Looking at this scenario after class 12, you can opt for BBA International Business. Bachelor of Business Administration in International Business is designed to train students about various marketing and business skills at a global level. Bachelor of Business Administration in International Business, this course mainly focuses on global economic environment and international business strategy. The careers and scope for the BBA International Business are promising, offering abundant opportunities to candidates at a domestic as well as global level. Candidates can choose to become an international business consultant, a global marketing manager, international trade analyst, or supply chain manager. The Indian healthcare market is now projected to reach $638 billion by 2025. The healthcare sector as of 2024 is one of the India's largest employers, employing a total of 7.5 million people. India's public expenditure on healthcare touched 1.9% of GDP in financial year 2024. Looking at the increase in demand for skilled professionals in health and hospital industry after class 12, you can join BBA Hospital Management. Bachelor of Business Administration in Hospital Management remains as one of the most popular choice among students. BBA in Hospital Management trains students for managerial and administrative jobs at a hospital or a healthcare industry. The focus of BBA in Hospital Management course includes healthcare systems, medical terminology, hospital operations, patient care, community health. The career options after completing BBA in Hospital Management are front office administrator, patient relation manager, hospital administrator, floor manager. The prominent recruiters are Apollo, Medica, Fortis, MR Bangur, BM Birla, Bhagirathi Neotia, Columbia Asia, Ruby, General Hospital, and many more. The global digital advertising market is expected to reach $786 billion by 2026, and that's a massive opportunity for students who are studying BBA in digital marketing. Bachelor of Business Administration in Digital Marketing equips the students with knowledge of different digital tools to attract clients. The focus of BBA in Digital Marketing course includes search engine optimization, social media marketing, influencer marketing, digital strategy, and website designing. Some of the top job profiles after completing BBA in Digital Marketing include Social Media Manager, Digital Marketing Director, Market Research Analyst, Content Writer, and Email Marketing Specialist. Some of the top recruiters for BBA Digital Marketing include media houses like News 18, NDTV, ABP News, and other organizations like Google and Canva. Before joining BBA in banking and finance, know these three facts. Number one, investment corpus in Indian insurance sector might rise to 1 trillion US dollar by 2025. Number two, India has the third largest fintech ecosystem globally. Number three, with more than 2,100 fintechs operating currently in India, India is positioned to become one of the largest digital markets across globe. Bachelor of Business Administration in Banking and Finance imparts skills, training, and knowledge on concepts and fundamentals used in banking and finance sector. BBA in Banking and Finance focuses on basic management concepts and provides specialized training on international banking and insurance, risk management, investment banking, treasury operations, project and infrastructure. After completing BBA in Banking and Finance, you can join in ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, IFCO Tokyo General Insurance, L&T Finance, and many more. According to McKinsey, the demand for data and analytics job role is expected to grow by 15% annually. Bachelor of Business Administration in Business Analytics equips students with the skills needed to analyze data and make informed business decisions, preparing them for a rapidly growing field. BBA Business Analytics, this curriculum typically includes data visualization, fundamentals of marketing, data analysis with Python, managerial economics, and principles of management. With BBA in Business Analytics degree, you can pursue careers like business analyst, data scientist, operation manager, or a consultant. The top recruiters of BBA in Business Analytics courses include Deloitte, Google, Microsoft, Accenture, and JP Morgan. So students, you got to know all the details about top 5 BBA specializations for admission in BBA in 2025. But if you have more queries, then you can connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can send your query by WhatsApp on this number. You can also put your query in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, then you must like and subscribe to this Apna College Net YouTube channel, because in this channel we bring you the review of top BBA colleges in India and also update you with the entrance examination updates and also tell you about the new horizons and opportunities, and it is all about your career. Follow us on our Facebook page Apna College, Instagram page Apna College 1. Visit on our website www.apnacollege.net, where you can access list of top BBA colleges in India, in Bangalore, in Delhi, in Kolkata. See you soon with a new video only on Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.